This is how you can permanently delete your Google account. If you're a returning subscriber, keep being amazing. If you're new here, you're welcome. Let's get started. Launch Google on your mobile phone. Tap on your profile picture. Next is manage your Google account. Next, data and privacy. You have to scroll down to delete Google account. Delete your Google account. Once here, you have to verify this is you by entering your password. Here, you can download your data before deleting your account. You can download your data here. You have to read this carefully. It is not the usual yada yada. You are trying to delete your Google account, which provides access to various Google services. You will no longer be able to use any of those services, and your account and data will be lost. All this content will be deleted. Google Drive, Google Mail, photos, YouTube, calendar, all of this will be deleted. Your linked Google services will also be deleted. If you are sure you want to delete your Google account, then hit the delete button and delete your Google account. This is how you can delete your Google account. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in my next one. Cheers to your success. Keep being amazing.